Division by 2, Part 5. Let's start! What is 88 divided by 2? The answer is 44. 88 divided by 2 is equal to 44. Now for the second problem. 54 divided by 2 is equal to... The answer is 27. 54 divided by 2 is equal to 27. For the third problem. What is 82 divided by 2? The answer is 41. 82 divided by 2 is equal to 41. The fourth problem is, what is 64 divided by 2? The answer is 32. 64 divided by 2 is equal to 32. Now for the fifth problem. 96 divided by 2 is equal to... The answer is 48. 96 divided by 2 is equal to 48. Since we're halfway through, I would like to remind you to subscribe, like, comment, and share this video to your relatives and friends. Thank you! Now for the next problem. 68 divided by 2 is equal to... The answer is 34. 68 divided by 2 is equal to 34. Here's 4, the seventh. 72 divided by 2 is equal to... The answer is 36. 72 divided by 2 is equal to 36. Now for the problem, number 8. What is 86 divided by 2 is equal to? The answer is 43. 86 divided by 2 is equal to 43. The number, ninth problem. 76 divided by 2 is equal to... The answer is 38. 76 divided by 2 is equal to 38. Now for the last one. What is 74 divided by 2? The answer is 37. 74 divided by 2 is equal to 37. Did you find this video useful? Please subscribe, like, comment, and share this video. That's all for now. And don't forget to hit that notification bell for more videos to come. Thank you!